How can you know for certain that a renovation of a swimming pool is necessary? There are a lot of places that suggest a swimming pool can have issues that you can't see without draining it or having it inspected. While sometimes these issues are visible or imminent. So what do you do? In this video, we'll go over both visible and not so visible signs that your pool needs to be renovated and what can happen if you don't renovate your pool. We will also discuss the cost of a renovation and what time of the year is best to renovate your pool. All these can have a direct effect on the lifespan of a healthy pool. So stick around and learn more. Hi, I'm JC, founder and CEO of J Design Pool & Spa, and we've been working with clients since 2008 renovating pools, as well as letting our clients know the warning signs so they can be proactive about keeping their pools not only looking at their best, but actually being in their best condition. You may not be a pool professional, but there are warning signs, a number of visible signs and clues that you as a pool owner can see or even feel in order to identify a problem that does exist. Some of these may include broken tiles, broken coping, as well as minor cracks in the plaster finish, significant staining or visible deterioration of the plaster finish, along with rust spots, broken pool lights, significant loss of water, and the last one may indicate that the pool is leaking. Maybe you're noticing poor water circulation, which may be an indication of undersized plumbing, wet spots or dripping areas at the pool equipment, or simply a much larger crack that has compromised the integrity of the structure. Identifying the issues is the first major step in your renovation. The communicating this to a contractor, that will give them a good idea on where to start on your renovation. Now, how much does an in-ground concrete pool renovation cost? Well, depending on the scale of the renovation, whether it's a low, medium, or a full investment, the factor in this cost may include functional aspects such as resurfacing the plaster, updating old plumbing, replacing the lights, or replacing waterline tile. Certainly bringing up to code all the electrical and safety standards. In addition to these basic components, besides the aesthetics, a renovation may include new add-ons like water features, new spas, hardscape, landscape, or even putting a new pool inside another one much larger. If you want to make your pool look and function differently, one of our design professionals can help you with a quote or just giving you ideas on a new design. So please book an appointment with us at jdesigns.com. What happens if I don't renovate my pool? If you notice signs of damage to your pool, taking action early could prevent headaches in the near future, as not maintaining your pool could render it unusable, and in extreme cases may even result in having it to be removed completely, which will cost you more time, money, and frustration. Even worse, by avoiding the necessary steps to renovate your pool when it's needed, the value of your pool and property could decrease exponentially, while a fresh and clean pool will not only add beauty to your backyard, but it's inviting to prospective buyers if you decide to sell your property. Ignoring these warning signs may cause harm to you, your pool, or your friends and family, especially when it comes to broken drain covers or outdated single drains, as not replacing them could result in heavy suction from the pumps, causing serious harm or even death. Seriously, manufacturers and state laws require that the drain covers need to be replaced periodically. Also, potential electrical issues that have been overseen may cause electric shock from broken lights, equipment, or switches. If your pool needs a technical renovation to fix an issue, it is always better to do it the right way. Waiting too long could cost you more money because the scale of the repairs may grow over time. The longer you wait, the bigger the problem becomes, and the harder it is for us to fix it. However, if you're looking for a time when there is less construction demand, and a lot of contractors find that homeowners use their pool less frequently in the winter, so renovations are easier to undertake and may be completed faster. The lifespan of your pool depends on its quality from the installation and what climate condition is in. but in general, an in-ground concrete pool can last between 15 to 25 years before renovating, depending on the maintenance and upkeep of the water balancing or chemistry. There are three main areas of importance when looking to renovate your pool: the materials, the mechanical, meaning plumbing and filtration system, and the structure itself. You are guaranteed to stay on top of any of the issues that could arise in the future, as long as these three aspects are addressed in your pool renovation. Now that you know the signs that suggest your pool needs a renovation, call us or book an appointment at jdesigns.com. We can guide you through the renovation planning process. Don't forget to check out the links below of related articles and more information regarding pool building, renovations, and pool care. Just because you're unable to see any physical damage doesn't mean a renovation isn't needed. If you think your pool may be in need of a repair, or you're thinking about changing an aspect of the design or aesthetics, we recommend to seek a professional pool contractor. You can always reach out to us. An inspection done before any renovation is significant to help your property value, as well as the safety of you, your family, and friends. I'm JC with J Designs Pool and Spa. Thank you for watching.